Let's take a look at how to change the social share image of your website here on Wix. Now we need to get to our dashboard, so we need to find the website that you want to edit. You can go to My Sites if you want, and then search through your sites, pick the one you want to edit, and it should take you to the dashboard. If not, you should be able to find it in the drop-down menu and go to Dashboard. But once you're here, we're going to go down to Settings here on the left-hand side. Then we're going to go to Website Settings. And about halfway down or so, we have General Social Image. This is the image that will be shared on networks like Facebook and Twitter, basically to help visitors recognize your brand and also just to kind of brand the social sharing of your site. So you can upload an image by clicking this plus or this button right here. And once you upload this, you can either upload media with this button here, or if you already have something in your site files like this logo, you could select it and then choose that file as the social sharing image. Now we're going to need to hit save up here, but that's not going to make every change. You can see right here that to make the changes live, we need to publish our website in the editor. So you need to go back over to edit your site. In the home tab, we're going to go to edit site right here. It's going to open up the editor. And once we're inside the editor, in the upper right hand corner, as soon as everything loads, we're going to see the publish button, or it could say update, but yeah, there's a publish button here. So we could publish our site. If you haven't published already, this will be the first time you do, but your site will be live. If it is live, even if it's the free URL, you can just publish, and that's going to be able to update the social sharing image for your site. Now, it may take a second to update on like Twitter and Facebook because those might require some time to actually get refreshed. But that's how you can change the social image or set the social image of your website here on Wix.